In this short video, I would like to share with you what engine oil filters I'm using on my 4M40 diesel Mitsubishi Delicas. Yeah, I will share some cross-reference numbers to other filters. Let's get started. Let's dive under the van, and right now I'm using a SF Sure Filter SF08532. What I don't like about this filter is so long, and sometimes you see people off-roading hard and that filter can get punctured pretty easy. By the way, if you're not subscriber, please subscribe. Okay, here's another great quality heavy duty filter made by Sakura. Part number, it's a great replacement for OEM filter. Sakura translates from Japanese as cherry flowering tree. Okay, this is my favorite one. That's called Baldwin BD7028. It's beefier, it's shorter, and it's wider and easy to get from the automotive store. I have another 4M40 sitting on the ground right now, getting ready, and this filter is perfect in my opinion. Yeah, on the Delicas. And also I use the MANN filter W9069, work good. Yeah, something like that. And I would say it's ideal to use the OEM Mitsubishi filters, but we're in Canada, US. Delica is imported JDM vehicle, and ordering OEM filters takes way longer to get and cost more money. Yeah, let me know guys, what engine oil filters are you using? Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.